The ProShares Short QQQ ETF, also known as PSQ, is an exchange-traded fund that allows investors to take a short position on the NASDAQ-100 Index. The NASDAQ-100 Index is a market capitalization-weighted index that includes the largest 100 non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. By investing in PSQ, investors can potentially profit from a decline in the value of the NASDAQ-100 Index. This can be an attractive option for investors who believe that the technology sector, which makes up a significant portion of the NASDAQ-100 Index, is overvalued or may experience a downturn in the near future. However, it's important for investors to understand that taking a short position carries significant risks and is not suitable for everyone. When you take a short position, you are essentially betting that the price of an asset will decline. If the price of the asset rises instead, you could potentially lose a significant amount of money. Additionally, short selling is a complex investment strategy that requires a high level of experience and understanding of financial markets. It's not something that should be attempted by novice investors or those who are not comfortable with taking on a high level of risk. One way that investors can mitigate some of the risks associated with short selling is by using stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is a type of order that automatically sells an asset when it reaches a certain price. By setting a stop-loss order, investors can limit their potential losses if the price of the asset starts to rise unexpectedly. Despite the risks, short selling can be an effective way to hedge against market downturns or to profit from falling prices. For example, if an investor is heavily invested in technology stocks and believes that the sector is overvalued, they may choose to take a short position on the NASDAQ-100 Index through PSQ as a way to protect their portfolio. However, it's important to note that short selling is not a one-size-fits-all investment strategy. It's crucial for investors to carefully consider their risk tolerance and financial goals before deciding to invest in PSQ or any other short-selling product. In conclusion, the ProShares Short QQQ ETF, PSQ, can be a useful investment tool for experienced investors who are comfortable with taking on significant risks in order to potentially profit from a decline in the NASDAQ-100 Index. However, it's important to understand the inherent risks associated with short selling and to carefully consider whether this strategy aligns with your financial goals before making any investment decisions.